Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to know if someone is online or offline on WhatsApp. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. But it's really difficult nowadays to understand if someone is online or offline because there is a setting. Let me show you. If you go to the three dot button from the top right corner, go to the settings option, then if you go to the privacy option, then last seen and online, if you make it to nobody and same as last seen, then nobody can see you if you are online or offline. So isn't it very difficult if anyone just said this setting and you are trying to find if he is online or not? So this is really difficult, I should say, but I'm gonna show you an alternative way. The first easy way that I'm gonna show you, that if you just click on that particular person, you can easily see the last seen at the above word. It's written that 3:34 a.m. and now it's 3:35 a.m. That means he is online, but he has just paused that option. So you will be online sometimes, he will be offline sometimes, so that means he will be available. You can see that he is now online. So this is how easily you can find if someone is online or offline. And there is another method. Let me show you. What's that? If I just send him hi or any message, you can see there is two check mark. That means the message has been sent. So if he is offline, there will be single check mark. Okay, so there will be only a single check mark if he is offline. So as he is online, there is double check mark as the message has been delivered. So this is the trick. So if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.